Hello, in this video I want to show you how to open internet browser on INKBOOK Classic 2. To do this, we'll need to click on the internet right here, and that is honestly all you have to do. It should open a browser and you'll be able to browse through different websites. Now, in case you have the same thing like I have right here, that the web page is not available, we'll need to click on the gear icon, move to the general, and then inside go for Wi-Fi. Here make sure that it's enabled and then connect to one of the Wi-Fi networks available. That way you'll get the internet connection and you'll be able to safely, well, maybe not safely, but you'll be able to easily browse through the internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.